Hey guys, this is Alex of the NICU Dad, and I just wanted to jump on here and share some information with you. Um, I was actually on a men's mental health panel a few days back, a couple of weeks back, and one of the things that they talked about was community and the importance of that, of having men having a community to help support with their mental health. I've been fortunate to be able to start working with some men in the UK who are doing some amazing things with that, and seeing some of the things that they're doing um, has really opened my eyes on the importance of that. I've been a peer-to-peer mentor for years. I've hosted countless dads groups, um, but knowing all that and being in that circle, um, I actually was a part of. I got to hop in. Project NICU has a dads group that they do. Really great group of guys that I've been fortunate to um, spend some time with on their NICU dad groups that they host. And we were on there a few weeks back, and great meeting. And well, my daughter. We had to take her to the emergency room a few days back, earlier this week, and she, guess how much I want to share of this. She was passing out, um, and she was turning 12 this week, so it was really scary. She was born at 27 weeks, and with that, she had a PDA, that she did have a procedure to have that closed up later on. Um, but through the years, we always had that in the back of our minds of, we've been fortunate, and just still in the back of your head of, is something going to happen, or, are we out of the woods? Um, so when she was presenting this week, um, we took her to the ER, and it was a big reminder for me. I was actually at work when I got the call of what was going on. Very similar to the day she was born, and finding out that, ambulance was coming to the hospital, was taking my wife to the hospital. So it was all the same scenario, and it was all the same emotions, the same feelings, and but now we're older, and now I have knowledge, and as do the rest of my family and stuff. But I had to come home, get ready to take her to the emergency room, um, and when I had to shower and get ready to go, and while I was in there, it was just the wave of emotions, and just trying to hold it together for everybody, trying to be strong. And it was really, really hard. Uh, and this was also like 2 or 3 days before her birthday, so it's already building up. So maybe that was part of it. Um, and so we're driving to the emergency room to take her in. And the whole time I was driving, in my head, all I was thinking about was wanting to message these guys and to just reach out to them and just kind of share, hey, this is what's happening, this is where I'm at. And that's not something I'd really experienced before. But it kind of took me back, and maybe it's the weeks that I've had of talking about men's mental health. This month I have been having a lot of discussions about it, probably more so than I ever have. Um, but it really just kind of took me back that was one of the first things that I went to, was wanting to reach out to this group and just to get reassurance, um, and just whatever comes from that group. Um, so, needless to say, daughter's fine. It was great. It was something that teenage girls all kind of go through. But she's okay. EKG came back great. Heart's great. Everything like that's great. Um, but needless to say, I see the importance of this community. And granted, with the NICU dad stuff, we are building a community, and and it is growing, and we are building it. And I'm so proud of what's happening and the things that are going on right now. But um, it's something that I've talked about doing forever, and I will be doing. I will be hosting a monthly NICU Dads virtual meeting called the NICU Dad Huddle, and be on the lookout for invites. This is going to be a monthly meeting for NICU dads to just share and talk for new dads, old dads, but just a community for everybody to come and really share what's going on in their lives, and also get an opportunity to learn. I'll be sharing information on post NICU life and opportunities that you have and different things that you can do to be involved, and really kind of show you of what's on this space after the NICU, and for those that still want to be involved and look to help other NICU dads. So look for the NICU Dad Huddle. It'll be posted on the website, thenicudad.com, and hope to see everybody there. Thanks.